Hey everyone, I'm back. It's Sean from MyBottomChef. In today's episode, we'll be making my famous Inside Out burgers. A delicious, light, airy burger, perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. 1 pound of lean ground beef. We'll make 4 patties. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon of ketchup. I like to use Bullseye barbecue sauce. Add a splash of barbecue sauce. 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper. 1/4 small diced onion. 2 sets of burger buns ground into crumbs in a blender or food processor. 1 whole egg. 14 grams of onion soup mix. Mix it all together. Brush on some melted butter on the hamburger buns. Then make your patties and head over to the barbecue. Now it's time to cook those patties. Rub on some barbecue sauce. Cook for 2 minutes aside. Do the process twice, it's about 8 minutes for both patties. Don't forget to toast your hamburger buns. Dijon mustard. Some ketchup. Slice of tomato. Sliced dill pickles. Some lettuce. And there we have it. Inside Out burger. Perfect for any occasion. See you guys next time.